Today, we're tackling a math topic that many find a bit challenging: how to find percentages. Don't worry, I've got some simple steps to make it a breeze. Let's dive in. Step 1: Understanding the basics. Before we jump into calculations, let's understand the basics. The percent symbol represents a fraction out of 100. For examples, 25% is a fraction of 25 over 100. Step 2: Finding a percentage of a number. To find a percentage of a number, multiply the number by the percentage written as a decimal. Example, 20% of 50 is 20 over 100 multiplied by 50, which is equal to 10. Step 3: Calculating percentage increase or decrease. For percentage increase, subtract the original value from the new value, divide by the original value, and multiply by 100. Take, for example, find the percent increase of these values that increased from 50 to 70. The original value being 50 and the new value being 70. Step 4: Real-life examples. Let's apply these steps to real-life examples. Imagine scenarios like finding a tip percentage, calculating discounts during a sale, or determining a test score percentage. Just remember, it all follows the same procedures. Step 5: Using a calculator. While the manual calculations are essential for understanding, using a calculator can save time, especially on busy schedule. And there you have it. A quick guide on how to find percentages. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.